My name is Tim Verhoeven. I'm Director of Operation for R-Directional Drilling and Underground Technology. Our core business has been horizontal directional drilling in support of utility construction. We're seeing a lot more use of Vermeer Projects in the estimating department, where we're getting a lot of requests from prime contractors that are looking for help in design-build applications.
My name is Ever Ruiz. I'm estimator and project manager at R-Directional Drilling. Usually the superintendent on the project will go out to the project, they'll map the bore, they'll mark the utilities, and then once that's submitted, they'll typically contact me, and then I log into Vermeer Projects from my computer. I get into it, I mark the job address, location, type of pipe that we're installing, what kind of work this is, whether it's gas, communication, electrical, then I submit that to the customer. Well, the feature that I like most about it is the fact that it is being done out in the field with actual depths on the utilities, showing actual entry and exit points. I feel it's more accurate than if it's just being based off print.
I think the big key on Vermeer Projects is before we start a bore, it's easy to do the planning for that bore. Whether you walk the bore line, you take into account your obstructions, your grade differences, your utility crossings. That's the time when the planning makes the most sense. Do it when it's easy, not when it's difficult. And Vermeer Projects can make that happen.